Good morning, students. How are you all? Our today's topic is cell, chapter number 7. For the introduction part, the introduction, living organism respire, digest food, excrete waste product and reproduce. Cell is the smallest unit of all living organism that can perform a function. Biodiversity around us. House is made up of roof is made up of wall is made up of bricks. So brick is the basic unit of house. Similarly, in our body is made up of organs are made up of tissues are made up of cell. So cell is the basic unit of our body. This is a correlation between house and body. Cell are very small, can be seen by microscope only, not visible to naked eye. These are the unit. And if relative size of cell and their components. Small molecule lies size between this, virus lies 10 nanometer, bacteria lies 100 nanometer. These are the sizes of a cell and its components. Now, Robert Hooke is the scientist who discovered cell in 1665. What he did, he took a bark of tree, made a thin slice and observed it under a self-made microscope. Self-made microscope is this. Figure 7.3, microscope used by Robert Hooke. He saw honeycomb-like compartments. He called them celluli. Celluli meaning small rooms in Latin. These compartments name as a cell. Cell are of different design, shape and sizes. Living organisms differ from one another, but all are made up of basic unit is cell. Observing a cell. To observe a cell, we have to understand stains. To understand the details of a cell, one need to highlight the details. For this, we use colored chemical called stains. Now, multicellular organism. Multicellular organism are made up of more than one cell. Is called multicellular. Unicellular means the organism that are made up of only one cell. One cell or unicellular can perform all the functions as multicellular. These are the examples of unicellular and multicellular. Euglena and multicellular, as humans also a multicellular organism. Now the important points. The largest cell in the human body is female ovum or egg cell. It is about 1 by 180 inch in diameter. The smallest cell in the human body is the male sperm. It takes about 175,000 sperm cell to weight as much as single egg cell. This is the comparison. Shape and sizes of cell. The smallest cell is that of bacteria. Name is this, Mycoplasma gallipsum. The largest size animal cell are nerve cell, muscles, egg of bird and reptiles. The cell of Acetinoburia unicellular algae is about 10 centimeter long. The figure 7.6 shows different size and shapes of cells. Okay. This is the nerve cell, very important. Now, cell are of spherical, rounded, other are large. The cell shape is influenced by the viscosity of fluid, the cytoplasm, rigidity of cell membranes and function of cell. This is the important point, that the cell shape is influenced by cytoplasm viscosity, cell membranes and function of cell. Some cell change their shape, like white blood cells in blood. Amoeba can change its shape. Nerve cell. A nerve cell needs to transmit information for which it needs to long so that the information can be sent from various parts to the brain and from brain to body parts as faster speeds without error. So nerve cell send signals. This is the nerve cell. Now, white blood cells. White blood cells protect our body by influencing the foreign bacteria, and an irregular shape helps it in doing So, okay, it protects us from external bacteria. The cell wall and cell membranes gives the shape and rigidity to a cell. Now, organization in human body. Digestion include these parts, res- respond to changes these parts, walking and movement, bones and muscles. Different organisms that perform the same function form the organ system. Okay. Now, different size of different types of cells. These are the size of different cells. There's living RBC, red blood cell this much, nerve cell more than 1 meter. Okay. Now, digestive system comprise of organs like mouth, stomach and intestine. We know it. Digestion, teeth, mouth, stomach, intestine. These organs are involved in digestion. Stomach is made up of muscles that helps to contraction of stomach, therefore digest food, etc. Now, what is tissue? A group of cells that perform a same function form a tissue. Each tissue is made up of cells that perform the same function. So we can say tissue is the combination of same type of cells. Muscle tissue is a group of cells helping in movement or contraction of stomach as an organ.